Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Cinderella, so let's get started. To draw a cute Cinderella, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So let's start right here with a circle. And then I'm going to come across, say about this way, and draw another circle. There. So now my two circles in, I'm going to make them Draw So Cute eyes with two smaller circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom, and same thing over here. And from there, let's go ahead and spruce up these eyes. So on the sides right here, I'm going to add, say 2 lashes, one longer and then one shorter. So same thing over here. There. And then let's go above her eye, about right here. And I'm just going to draw a soft curve right over her eye. And same thing on the other side, about right here. There. And let's give Cinderella a sweet smile. So let's say about right here in between the eyes, go ahead and draw a curve and go up and cap it off. Then from there, let's frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of this eye and come out really close to lashes and give myself a point. Same thing over here. And from there, we're going to basically draw the bottom of a U. So I'm going to come to the side of her eyes, angle it in a little bit more, about there, and then let's curve it in. And I'm just going to find my center. So let's say about right here. I'm just kind of imagining how low I want her chin to go. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down to that point. Just makes it easier for me to see where I'm going, and same thing here. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can finally, let's see here, let's come to the center. We need to draw her bangs. So try to simplify as much as possible. So in the center, we're just going to draw a curve right over her brow. So let's say about right here. Let's draw a nice wide curve right in the center. And then now that we have that, I'm just going to bring it up a little bit more. Nice and round. And then one more curve about right here. I'm going to curve it out. And I'm just going to end about right there. So kind of the same area as the side of the face. So same thing here. I'm just going to stop there for now that we have that curve in, because we need to come back right about here and we're going to connect this. So just right about here, connect it with a curve, and same thing here for the side of the face. Then from there, we're going to bring this, actually, let's come back to this area about right here where the eyes are, and we're just going to draw an oval. So this is the end of her headband. So same thing on the other side. Just draw this oval right here in that area. That one looks a little bit smaller. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay, then from there we can go ahead and we're going to bring this part out to approximately the same area as that. So about right here, I'm going to pop this out. And same thing here, just a little bit out. So about right there, because we just need room to draw the sides of her hair. So then we can come right about here and we're going to draw a curve right in here. And same thing. And bring it in. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and finish this. I'm going to bring it up. And I'm just going to come right about here and go around and then towards the center, dip it a little bit and then pop it right back up and connect. Very delicate. Okay, there. Sorry if that took forever. I just wanted to try my best to get it correct. Then from there, we're just going to go around. So just imagine if this was going around the head, through the bangs, and then we're just going to pop it back up about right here and go up and around and bring it right back down. And then let's thicken this part up for the band. A beautiful headband. There. Okay, the hardest part is done. Sorry. Hopefully I didn't overcomplicate it. Just make sure this part comes out enough so that you can put in the side right here. That's the trickiest part. Okay, so now that we have that, we just need to draw the top bun. So I'm just going to start right here and drag this across so it's approximately the same area on the other side. And let's go ahead, we're going to draw 3 curves. So one about right here, and then center one, and then another one right about here. And bring it in. There. And you can, if you like, just come in here and just lightly draw 2 curves for some detail. Okay, so finally done. Now we can go ahead and draw her beautiful ball gown. So let's give Cinderella a little neck right about here and here in the center. And we're going to bring it out. And same thing here, bring it out. And before I forget, I'm going to come right here and give her her choker. And thicken it up. So now that we have these 2 little curves, this is just kind of like the collarbone area. We're not rounding off her shoulder yet. We're going to stop right there and we're going to bring a curve down to kind of where her armpits would be. So same thing here, just curve out. Then from there, let's go ahead and use that and come in to create her bodice. So nice small waist. So let's say about here and here, and then come to the center and connect. There. And then we can come back up right here and draw a curve. To connect that part. And then let's go ahead and come up here and we're going to pop out her sleeves. So round, come up, and then about right here, we're going to stop and connect. So this is where her arms would come out of. So same thing here. And connect. There. Then from there, let's come out right here and we're going to draw that poofy part on the top of the skirt. So I'm going to come out and we're going to come right back to here. So let's come down and round it off and connect. So same thing on the other side. And just going to drag this point across so that, ooh, approximately. There. Nice and round. Then from there we can draw the full skirt. So let's come right about here. And we're going to pop this out. So same thing here. Okay, so now from there, let's go ahead and keep going. Beautiful full skirt. Go back and forth. And a little bit more. Say that right there. Oops, sorry. And then same thing over here. So I'm just going to drag this across. So approximately same area on the other side. And now that I have that, I can go ahead and connect it with a curve. So with this curve, I thought it'd be really nice to just kind of give it some, like, not ruffles, but not just a smooth curve across. Let's come about right here. And then we're just going to draw 3 curves. So that we can put in some more texture on her dress. So then maybe another center one, and then another one, and then go back up to connect. And the reason I'm doing that is so that when I'm coloring it, I can give it some of these lines to give her skirt some detail. But of course, if you don't want to do that, you can just go ahead and just smooth it out. Okay, so then from there, let's draw her arms. So I'm going to bring this out, and her hands are nice and simple and just out. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve and thicken it up. And let's see here. Let's see about right here. We're going to go ahead and come out, fingers, and then here for our thumb, and connect. And if you like, you can draw another finger back here. And of course, we have a glove, so let's see about right here, cut it off. So same thing on the other side. Okay, so here we go. Just trying to match as best as possible. So I'm just going to drag this across so that approximately the end for my thumb right about here, and then we can go down for the fingers, approximate, and then another finger right here. There. Okay, and then once again, same thing about here. Just going to draw a curve for the glove, and that is pretty much it, except I'm going to very lightly draw a heart right here so that I can make her my Just So Cute Cinderella. I really hope you love this new version of Cinderella that I've drawn today. I drew her many years ago when I first started my channel, so hopefully you like how this one turned out, and I helped you draw her fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.